Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some elegant glam home decor items. So what you're going to need, some of this silver glitter, and this is from Efavormart. I also have some of these icy gems from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree, you're going to need one of these round silver or nickel plates or trays, and you'll need a round mirror. You'll need one pack of these round Tealight holders. There's 2 in a pack. And you'll need 2 of these square candle holders. I also have some Mod Podge from Dollar Tree, and then from Goodwill I picked up 2 of these little glass ramekins. I got a set of 4 of them, but I'll be using 2 of them in this for this project. And so I'm going to be using hot glue on this project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. Also, if there's any other items that I choose to add to this list, I'll include it in the description box below for you guys as well. Well, these are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. you guys, didn't these modern glam home decor pieces turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. Thank you all very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.